Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make liquid African black soap. I start by using raw African black soap. Black soap should have limited ingredients: black soap, purified water, and natural oils. I go ahead and cut the bar in half. I was experimenting and found that by diluting the soap with water and placing it in a bottle, it's not only easier to use, but it's also less harsh on sensitive skin. African black soap is one of my favorite soaps to use because it's a multi-purpose soap. It's antibacterial and super moisturizing. It helps kill bacteria in the skin, which in turn helps fight acne, eczema, and helps reduce hyperpigmentation in the skin. I use this soap as a face wash, body wash, and shampoo for my hair. I place it in a bowl and add about 3 cups of boiling water. I don't have a cover for this bowl, so I use saran wrap. I cover the bowl and let it sit for about 10 minutes to allow the soap to melt. Once it's been sitting for about 10 minutes, I check to see if it's fully melted by whisking it. Once I see that it's fully melted, I start making my soap. I use African black soap as a base for an all-natural body wash and shampoo duo. I use an amber glass bottle, a funnel, and gauze or cheesecloth to help strain any residue that might be abrasive to the skin. Don't be fooled by how watery this is. Trust me, a little goes a long way. I add about 1 tablespoon of castor oil because it's a natural moisturizer for dry skin. It helps fight fungus and keeps your hair, skin, and scalp healthy. I add 1 tablespoon of sapphire seed oil. Sapphire seed oil fights inflammation and soothes dry skin. I add 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. It improves the skin and helps fight eczema. To keep this preserved for about 3 months and also add a form of aromatherapy, I added 10 drops of eucalyptus and lavender essential oil. When I tell you this mixture has changed my skin, I get eczema in the winter and this soap has really helped a lot. Moving on to my face wash, y'all, this is so effective. I use the raw African black soap as the base. I use this face wash only 1 time a week, or if I notice I'm having a breakout. I add 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel to help fight inflammation and help lighten dark marks on my skin. I add tea tree essential oil not only to preserve the mixture for about 3 months, but also for its antibacterial properties that help dry up and kill acne. And that's it, y'all. You have a moisturizing eczema and acne fighting body wash and a strong natural acne face wash. Always remember, when trying a new face product, try it on a small section of your skin to make sure you don't have a reaction. As always, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to share this video if you care, and give this video a thumbs up if you'd like to see more videos like this. Talk to you soon.